This is fantastic. I can see why it sold out so quickly. By this point, you may know that I have done a ton of gift guides. This is not my first rodeo. And in those gift guides, I really try to hit different price points. But in this video, I want to hit one specific price point or under. Now, obviously everyone's gonna have a different budget. Everyone's gonna have a different view of what affordable means to them. But I felt like $25 and under was a pretty good starting point. So let me know what you think. And because the majority of you are from the US, I use that as a benchmark for the $25. But again, tried to be like a lot under in a lot of places so that it would apply to us Canadians too. We always get left out of this stuff because I feel like the rest of us can all relate to the fact that everything from the States is so much cheaper, especially when you add in taxes and duties and customs and you know the drill. And if you didn't already know, Lo, my sister-in-law, and I came up with a gift guide because again, I do so many of these gift guides in testing and sharing my own, but I can't fit every product in. So I made a Google Doc as like a separate one that's tabbed that has a whole bunch of different products that either I haven't had a chance to test out but thought were really cool, or things that I absolutely love, that my family loves, that we have gifted each other. And then I put it all into a doc that you can view on the Google Doc apps or on your computer. Everything is linked. I hope you like it. And now let's dive into testing the products. The first one is a brand, I feel like I've tested this brand before, but it's by Nee-doh and it's their Dream Drop. I wanted to get one of these last year. I know it's sold out. So I'm hoping this year they have better stock, but it's this like raindrop thing. It comes in blue, purple, and pink, but you don't get to choose your color, which is the only annoying thing. It's like random. So I ended up getting the pink, which isn't my favorite, but like if it's really cool, I'm not gonna be mad about it. Look at it. So it has this little thing right here. So it's like a little spot for it to sit on, which is like jelly. And then it has the actual, oh my gosh, this is incredible. I have tested my fair share of these like squishy fidgets. You can see it should go back to its normal shape. Give it a minute. Yeah, it's going back. Oh yeah, it has a little bit of glitter in it, which is fun. So like nice squish, but not in the, like it's giving slime, but not messy. That's the type of squish this is. This has strong get your frustrations out energy too. Ooh, I like this. Yep. This is fantastic. I can see why it sold out so quickly. And then you just put it on its little splash pad, I suppose. If you like squishy things, that's the vibe it's giving me. I like that. The next one gave me pause because this is something that I hate so much, is cleaning my hairbrushes. I hate it. It takes forever and I do it all the time because my hair gets so greasy. It's the whole thing. But this is supposed to be a self-cleaning hairbrush, which I just think is a cool idea. So it looks like this, and then you just go like this and it gets all the hair out. Oh, come on. But I guess the question is, how good is it of a brush, you know? Because right now I do like the grip on it, but again, my hair isn't tangled. So I will try this on myself and my daughter, and then I will update you on how easy it is to actually get the hair out, because there will be hair in there. And then speaking of hair, I saw these were on sale on Aerie, and it's this like really pretty pearl clip. Like that looks and feels more luxe, you know? But how does it look? I mean, like, don't judge my hairstyle. Maybe judge it a little bit. Okay, pretend that's cute. But like the grip on this is very nice. If you have thick hair, I feel like this will do nothing for you. Thin hair girlies unite, because it's like a short little clip. Cute. That's cute. I like that. But this, again, it's a small clip. It's not like a full head one, you know? But the clip itself is really cute and it's pretty, and I like the gold. It feels nice and solid and weighted. This is really nice. Maybe this plus that L'Oreal glycolic gloss, and it can be like a little hair thing, you know? Get shiny hair with a cute little clip. No one's mad about it. Okay, this next one is really cool. I didn't even know this existed as a category. And it's a candle pin. Have you heard of this? I had never heard of this before, but they had a whole bunch of them. I think it was on, where did I get this? Free People? What's the one that starts with an A? It's not Abercrombie. I'm drawing a blank. Anthropologie. Thank you, everyone that went to the comments. So obviously on Anthropologie, they do sell like really pretty candles as well that you can put them on and it would be like a gift, but you could also get the candles from Amazon. No one's making you get them from Anthropologie. So these are really cute. They had a bunch of different styles and things like that. You didn't have to get the monogrammed one, but I got the monogrammed one. I got a J for Julia, obviously. And I thought this was gonna be so cute on the side of a candle. So I have candles downstairs and I'm gonna go get one. We're just gonna wedge it in and see what it looks like. Okay, I found a candle. This one is, as my 4-year-old calls, patent, because it's one of those, you know, oh, you can't see. The light is too bright. Oh, you can kind of see it. I feel like that's a good one to like stab. This feels very luxe in a fun way of gifting a candle that's a little bit different. I think this is fun. And I love the candle that they had on Anthropologie, like the one that has the fluting around it. I think that's really pretty, but again, you can find those on Amazon. I will link some below. And you can see they just kind of stick in, and you could do whatever design you wanted, or just like gift it like this, because like that's so pretty. Candle charms. Who knew? I think this is absolutely stunning. Wow, we have really nailed it so far. I'm really pleased. This is absolutely, like, I want to decorate this whole thing, but I also don't, because I want to give it to Julia so that she can decorate it however she wants. But I am so pleased with this. This is so pretty. Okay, now onto the category that I know. A category that I know and I love, and that is makeup. Makeup and skincare. And I was thinking about it, I was like, do I want to test a whole bunch of stuff? Do I want to like talk about my favorites? I do have a bunch of favorites. I don't know if it's up yet. If it is, I'll link it. Spoiler alert. So I thought instead I'm gonna put a link down below of all of my favorite products that are currently on like a Sephora or something like that in a form that's under $25, whether it's like a mini or an explore kit or whatever it is. I will link all of those that I think are fantastic products that I stand behind, that I have purchased over and over again. But the one I did want to try, and this is under $25, that people really love, and I've heard amazing things, like the smell of it is apparently amazing. This is the Rare Beauty Hydrating Hand Cream. Love a good hand cream. So if you're looking for more, I will link them below so you have all of them. I just turn it. Yeah, okay. Don't love the container, I'll be honest. I love how I'm doing this covered in rings. I did not think this through. Slowly trying to take my rings off. Honestly, the scent is fine, but again, scent is very subjective. Everyone's gonna feel a little bit differently. I like the fact that it has gone into my hands almost immediately. Like there's no residue on my hands. I feel like I could almost open jars, if that makes sense. So I like that. I like the fact that this is small. I don't love the applicator. Just personal preference. I like the fact that I could like put some on and then like go about my business. That is the nice effect of that. The scent, I don't like it. It's not my favorite. Every scent is a little bit different, and I'm sure there are people that love the scent and it just works with their body chemistry. I don't like it. I don't know how to explain it. I just don't like it. Next up, okay, I have to give this to my sister. This is a selfie stick for pets. Basically, you're supposed to put a toy or a treat or something at the end of this, and then attach this end to your phone. So the dog or cat or whatever animal, goldfish, I have no idea, looks at the camera while you're taking a picture. Super cute. But I don't have a dog, but my parents have a dog and my sister has a dog. So we'll try it on them.
Oh my word. Hey, back up, back up. Good boy. That's pretty nice. Hey, cheese. Thank you for participating.
Okay, next one again is aerie. I just fell into a rabbit hole of aerie stuff apparently. These were on sale and I think a bestseller for them. And it's these mittens, but they're all like that Sherpa, faux Sherpa. I don't know, but they're fuzzy on the outside, and on the inside they have this like faux leather stuff, which to be honest feels very faux, like plastic, very plasticky. They're cute on this side. This side I don't love. It's so slippery. I feel like I couldn't grip anything with this. Yeah, that's probably the reason they're on sale. They're so slippery on the side. There's zero grip. You will drop everything in these. Super cute, not practical at all. Okay, next up, I need to know how this works. I need to know if this is actually practical. This feels like one of those, you know those pens that have all the different inks on them, but they all are terrible? Feels like that, but I'm hoping it's not. It is this multi-tool pen. It has like a leveler to it. It's got pen, it's got LED light. It's got it all. Screwdriver, a whole bunch of stuff. The ruler is there. We got everything, but I need to know how exactly this works, because if this is one of those things that you have to carry around all these little moving parts, no, I am not doing that. All right, here's all the things it can do. Level, ruler, phone stand or bottle opener. All right, stylus, pen. No, stylus is different than pen. Stylus is pencil, ballpoint pen, 2-head screwdriver. and a light, then a partridge and a pear tree. Rotate the pen tip to pull the tool out. Do I just not know what a stylus is? Is that an eraser? What is this? I did find the screwdriver though. Two-headed screwdriver. All right, but then how does one use it? It would be really good to have some instructions. I get the pen part. What about the rest of this? Okay, hold on. I think I understand it now. Okay, give me a second. I think I put all the tools in here and then I put this in here. Oh, maybe I don't store these in here. This does not have to be this complicated. Am I overcomplicating this? Like, I feel like this is so over. I hate it. Clearly this is not made for me. I don't understand. This does not need to be this complicated. I must be overthinking it. This, I guess, is useful. Having the ruler on the side, that's gotta be useful for somebody. And then my phone doesn't fit in it. Oh, okay, it does. On an angle though. I want to prove myself wrong that this is a good thing. I don't see it. I don't understand. But maybe you do, and now you know it exists. So I'm sure that if you understand this, maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm the only one. I have no idea. Don't get it. Don't like it. Hate it. Go away. Okay, next up is a classic. And this one I saw, again, under $25. And this feels like just a very easy gift. You could pair it with like maybe some of their favorite teas or something. And it's just a monogram mug. But it's a really cute monogram mug. Look at this. How gorgeous is this? I love the mosaic patterning to it. I thought it was just like a little bit different. It's anthropology. It's a little bit more elevated than some of the basic stuff that I've seen on like Amazon. I like the black handle. I like the size of the mug is nice too. That is gorgeous. All the pretty details on there. Oh, love. Again, this is anthropology. Oh, it even has a thing in the middle. Oh my goodness, attention to detail. Now, because of this gold in here, it is hand wash only. It is a fancy mug, but it is under $25. So I feel like if your budget is $25, then I would mix it maybe with a little baggie of hot chocolate mix with some marshmallows in it, maybe. Like you can get it from like a store where you get, you know, bulk candies and things like that. You can get hot chocolate powder, and so you could like fill a little thing, put some marshmallows on top. It's really cute and put it in here. I don't know how close this was to $25. I don't remember. I just got really excited that it was under. But I think it's a pretty. Oh, gorgeous. And then this next one actually came in a pack of 2. It was, I don't think, very expensive, but I saw it on TikTok, and it's this cute paint pad. It's a watercolor paint pad. But what's cool about it is that the paint is attached to each of the pages. So you could open it up, like it's nice, thick cardstock. And then on each of the pages, it has the colors on the side, which you can tear off. You can tear this all out. And then you watercolor from these. These are paints, which I think is just really cool. I'm gonna pick the first one. Now I did also, and in some cases I do give like things like this to my kids because I'm like, ooh, what do you guys think? Is this a good stocking stuffer? Luke tried it. Julia hates painting, so she was like, I'm out. And then Connor also he's too young, he just doesn't understand. And then Luke tried it and he didn't like that it was watercolor. I don't know what to tell you. They didn't like it. But then you can see at the back, it comes with paintbrushes, which is nice. And then you just use like, I have some water here. So like if I dip it in some water and then dip it in here, should just pick up some of the paint. See how it's kind of fading away there? Oh, this paintbrush is not the greatest. The one that Luke tried didn't have this issue, so maybe it's just this one. I'm gonna add a little bit more water because I want it to be very watercolory. See? Look how pretty that is. Like again, this is watercolor. It's not gonna give you the same effect as like true pigmented paints will, but like a splash of color. There's something soothing about this. What if I wanted to make some of it more pigmented? Yeah, okay, it's not my best work, but we get it. Again, it's not bleeding through, like it's very thick cardstock, and then you don't have to put away the paints or anything. You're done. You make your picture and then you're done. So I color up here. Now I'm just experimenting. Yeah. This is soothing. I approve. And you know me, guys. I hate everything that's DIY or like this is probably the first one we've come across. It probably would use like a bigger paintbrush. I wonder if the other one's bigger or if it's the same size. Same size. Maybe get them a bigger paintbrush for like these bigger areas. But this is soothing. I like it. Oh my goodness. And you can melt it out a little bit. Like you can still play with the color once you put it on. Oh yeah, I'm a big fan of this. This is so stinking cute. Big fan. Put this on your wish list. I'm not even talented and I think that looks great so far. I'm excited about this. This is fun. Again, they don't give you a ton of colors, but they give you enough. I feel like this is enough to get where you need to go. But obviously if you have other watercolor paints, that's another option. But this is a good affordable option that I think is super fun. I like this. And it comes again with 2 pads. So you can gift one to 2 people, you know? Doubly budget friendly. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up. I would love to do more of these and I think it was super fun. I liked being able to try and find new and fun things that were under $25. It was a good challenge because everything is so expensive now. Make sure you check out all of the different Christmassy videos that we have done this year and in years previous. Lots of different gift ideas there. And again, I will link the gift guide so you guys can go and check that out. Would love to know your thoughts. I hope you've been enjoying all of the fun Christmassy content that we have been doing. I've been having so much fun with this stuff. It's just my favorite. So I hope you have a fantastic, fantastic day and I will see you guys all in the next one.